So dear students, in this trick we are going to learn how to subtract any random number from a base number. Now let us first understand the concept of base number. So the trick we are going to learn is subtracting a number from a base number. So let us first understand the concept of base number. So what is a base number? So powers of 10. So 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10. 10 square is equal to 100. 10 cube is equal to 1000. So basically powers of 10 are referred to as base numbers. So 1 followed by zeros. So these type of numbers are known as base numbers. So we are going to learn a shortcut that how can you subtract a number from base number. For example, if I ask you to subtract, let's say 87,342 from a base number. So you can see the upper number is a base number. The second number can be any random number. So we are now going to learn a shortcut for this, exactly for this. So before we learn the shortcut, let us also understand the concept of complement. So suppose I give any number to you, let's say 63. The meaning or the concept of complement is what should you add? What should you add to the given number so that it becomes equal to the nearest base, the next base number. Base numbers are numbers 1 followed by 0. So 63 is just before 100. So concept of complement is what should you add in 63 so that it becomes 100. So what should you add? So if you answer properly, this comes out to be 37. So if you think carefully, if I ask you what is the value of 100 minus 67, 100 minus 63, so 100 minus 63 is 37. So complement of 63, the meaning of complement of 63. If somebody says complement of 63, the meaning is 100 minus 63. So let's take one more example. If I say what is complement of 812, so what is complement of 812? So meaning of complement is what should you add in 812 so that it becomes equal to the next base number. So next base number is 1000. So this is complement. So if you see properly, the value of complement is equal to 1000 minus 812. So this comes out to be equal to 182. So 182 is the complement. But can we do it in a faster way? Is there a method through which you can find the complement in faster way? Let us see. The method is you have to subtract all the digits from 9 but the last digit from 10. What does this mean? Suppose I ask you to find the complement of 278. 278. So what you have to do, the shortcut is you have to subtract all the digits from 9. So this digit you have to subtract from 9. This digit also you have to subtract from 9. The last digit you have to subtract from 10. So 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So write 7 here. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So write 2 here. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. So 722. So complement of 278 is 772. What does this basically means? It means if you add these two numbers, it will become equal to the next base number. So next base number is 1000. So what will be the complement of 732? So subtract all the digits from 9 but the last digit from 10. So 9 minus 7. So 9 minus 7 is 2. Next 9 minus 3 is 6. Last one from 10. Last one not from 9. Last one from 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So complement of 732 is 268. So if you add 268, this will become equal to the next base number 1000. So it also means if I would have asked you the answer for this, if I would have asked you to subtract 732 from 100 from 1000, the answer would have come equal to 268. What is the complement of this number? How can you find the complement? Subtract all the digits from 9 but the last digit from 10. So 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 7 2 again, 10 minus 3, last one from 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7. So complement of 2473 is 7527. So this means if you add these two numbers, it will become equal to next base number. So next base number is 10,000. So this also means that if I would have asked you that subtract 2473 from 10,000 and you would have solved it, you would have got same answer 7527. What will be the complement of this number? So 9 minus 8 1, next 9 minus 4 5, next 9 minus 4 5 again, next 9 minus 1 8, last one from 10, last one not from 9. So 10 minus 2 8. So complement is 15588. So what will be the complement for this? Just by looking, do everything in mind. 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 3 6, last one from 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So complement is 217068. Now what advantage do you get if you know to find the complement? If you can find the complement, you can apply this concept in these kind of subtraction. The upper number is a base number. So you can apply. Look at the second number. So above the second number there are only zeros. So above the second number there are only zeros. So you can give the answer in two parts. So divide this entire problem in two parts. This is part 1. This is part 2. So for part 2 you have to find the complement of the lower number. So find the complement of the lower number right here. And for part 1, whatever is written in part 1 you have to subtract 1. So minus 1, minus 1. Let us see what does this mean. So part 2, let us solve part 2 first. So 741. Take the complement of 741 and write it as part 2. So what will be the complement of 741? So 9 minus 7 is 2. So write 2 here. Again 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So write 5 here. Last one 10. So 10 minus 1. Last one from 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So write 9 here. This is part 2. In part 1 I have to subtract 1. I have to do minus 1. So in part 2 10 is written. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So final answer is 9259. Let us see. Let us verify using calculator. So the original problem was 10,000. So 10,000 minus 741. So yes, 9259. Let us take one more example. How you can solve this? So if you look at the second number. So second number. Above the second number only zeros are written. Only zeros are written. So this is part 2. So this part is part 2. So this is part 2. And this is part 1. So in part 1 what you have to do? You have to minus 1. You have to minus 1 here. And part 2 what you have to do? You have to take the complement of the lower number. So complement of 297. Let us take the complement of 297 and write it here in part 2. So what will be the complement of 297? Let us see. So 9 minus 2, 7. So write 7 here. Again 9 minus 9, 0. So write 0 here. Last one from 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3. So write 3 here. So part 2 you have done. Part 1, what you have to do? You have to simply subtract 1 minus 1. So 403 minus 1 is 402. So final answer is 402703. So let us verify using calculator. So the original question was 4,03,000. So 4,03,000 minus 297. So yes, you can see the answer is matching 402703. So in the calculator also we have the same answer. Let's solve this one. How you can solve this one? So up till here, if you choose only this portion, you can see above it only 0 is written. So this is your part 2. So this is part 2. This is part 1. So in part 1 you have to do minus 1, extra minus 1. So let us solve this. So how you can solve this? Take the complement of part 2. So we take the complement of part 2. So 1830. Take the complement. So 9 minus 1. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Again 9 minus 8, 1. Next 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Last one 10 minus 0. So 10 minus 0 is 10. But you cannot write 10. You cannot write 10. You have to write a single digit. So write 0 and send 1 to the previous chamber. Backward. So 10. So 6 plus 1 now becomes 7. So 6 becomes 7. So this is 7 now. Now solve part 1. In part 1 what you have to do? You have to do minus 1. So in part 1 117 minus 4 was written. You have to do extra minus 1. So 117 minus 4 is 113. 113 minus 1 is 112. So final answer is 1128170. Let us verify using calculator. So original numbers are 117 0 0 0 0. Am I right? Let us see. So yes, 4 zeros minus 4 1 8 3 0. So is this equal to 1128170? So 1128170. 1128170. So yes, the answer is matching. Now how can you solve this? So if you see properly, this is nothing but 100 minus 3.2376. So you can write this in this method. Both the questions are same. So now you are in a position to apply the shortcut. So now you can apply the shortcut. So this much will become part 2. So this much will become part 2. So this is part 2. This is part 1. So in part 1 what do? You do minus 1. In part 2 what do? You find complement. So let's find complement of the lower number. So complement of lower number, 9 minus 3, 6. Decimal is written, so write decimal here. 9 minus 2, 7. Again 9 minus 3, 6. So write 6. 9 minus 7, 2. Last one from 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. So write here part 1, 10 minus 1. So 9. So final answer is 96.7624. You can verify. You'll get the same answer from calculator. How can you solve this? From 1000 you have to subtract this. So 1000. So it has 3 zeros. Here only 2 zeros are required. So 2 zeros are required. So this entire part have 0 written above it. Let us see how. So 1000 minus 32.376. This is the meaning of the question. This is the meaning. So now you can apply the shortcut. Let us see. So this entire thing will become part 2. Part 2. And this portion will become part 1. part 1. So part 1, what do? We subtract minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Let's solve part 2. Let's take the complement. So 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. So write here. So 9 minus 2, 7. So write 7 here. Here you see decimal, write decimal here. 9 minus 3, 6. So write 6. Next 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Last one from 10. Be careful. So 10 minus 6 is 4. So final answer is, so this I have to remove. So 967.624. So if you want, you can verify using calculator. Answer will be same. So let's verify. So 1000. So 1000, 1000, 1000 minus 32.376. So this comes out to be 967.624. You can see the answer is matching. So how you will solve this? So there are 3 zeros. Here you need only 2 zeros. So this entire portion will become part 2. Part 2. Whereas this much will become part 1. So please, if you can understand, you can solve this super quickly. So this becomes part 1. This much becomes part 1. And this entire thing becomes part 2. So part 1, 10 minus 1, 9. So 9. Now let's solve part 2. Let's take complement. So 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 7, 2. After this, there is decimal. So write decimal. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. So write 2 here. Again 9 minus 7. So write 2 here. Last one from 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So final answer is 982.6288. So how we can solve this? Here there are only 2 zeros. So this portion, this much can become part 2. Only this much can become part 2. So this will become part 2. What will be part 1? So 47 minus 1. So both these becomes part 1. So 47 minus 1 becomes part 1. And part 2 is 56.7932. So let's solve this. So part 1, what do? You do one extra minus. So 47 minus 1 is 45. So write 45. So part 1 you have solved. Let's solve part 2. So part 2, how do you solve? By taking complement. So let's take complement. So 9 minus 5, 4. Next 9 minus 6 is 3. So write 3 here. There is a decimal. So write decimal now. So 9 minus 7 is 2. Next 9 minus 9 is 0. So write 0 here. Next 9 minus 3 is 6. So write 6 here. Last one from 10. Be careful. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So final answer is 4543.2068. Let us verify. If we would have used calculator, what answer would we have got? So 4700 minus 156.7932 is equal to how much? 4543.2068, as you can see. So I hope you liked this trick. So if you like this trick and you want to keep on receiving these kind of tricks, so please subscribe to our channel if you have not done that, and please hit the bell icon so that the next time we upload these kind of videos, you keep on getting the notifications.